Okay, so these are the map pointing questions. Please write it or at least take a screenshot of the same and keep with you. List of maps. Already I told you that from water sources only map pointing questions are there. There is no other question for the examination. Okay, so I will inform that I already posted the portion for the period test one in the class group. Okay, but you are not observing that, I think so. That's not
That
the
is
doubt.
gender, caste,
Okay.
and religion, politics.
So gender, caste, and religion is already posted there, but I changed it and posted a revised syllabus for the examination. Okay. In that, instead of gender, caste, and religion, added federalism. Clear? All the chapters remaining the same. History same chapter, geography same chapter, economics also same chapter, but political science I changed that chapter from gender, religion, caste to federalism for the PT2. For the PT2. Okay. So well, it's okay now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Is that clear? The things are clear or not? So, portion for the PT1. Portion for the PT1 is clear, I think, right? Number of cameras are off again. See? No cameras are on. No cameras, so some cameras are okay, fine. Regularly, the students, those who are keeping the cameras on, all those cameras are on, other cameras are off. See? Okay, fine. So, come back. Now, term 2. This is the term 2 syllabus. Okay, and from history there is only one chapter. Okay, nationalism in India, we completed that already, right? Okay, only one chapter is there, so it is a happy news for you people. History already syllabus is completed, right? Again 20% that chapter we complete, so that syllabus is over for us. Okay, nothing more than that. Only 2 chapters. All other chapters are deleted, and one chapter is for the periodic test that we will manage. Okay, clear or not? Is that clear? So, how many chapters want to learn for PT1? One chapter from history, right? That is nationalism in Europe. Second term, again one chapter, that is nationalism in India. Nationalism in India. Only 2 chapters are there. Done. Okay. So first term examination completed. So you can forget about nationalism in Europe. Again, don't want to keep that on your head, right? Leave that. Again, only one chapter will be there. Okay. So it's a good technique, I think so, right? So want to follow this for our release, right? Okay, let it be. Next one, the making of global weight. Sorry. These chapters are there for PT only. I will tell you which chapter we will discuss for the periodic test. Okay, so you don't want to bother about that. You don't want to bother about the periodic test, right? What I told, just mark that. Next from contemporary India, geography. The chapter now what we are discussing, it is minerals and energy resources. Okay, but bad luck, this chapter is not for the board examination. Okay, clear? This chapter is not for the board examination. Only map pointing questions from this chapter. Map pointing questions from this chapter. Done? Okay. Okay. There is no other question from this chapter termed as minerals and energy resources. Okay. And the next 2 chapters, they are manufacturing industries and the lifeline of the national economy. These 2 chapters are important. So we want to complete these two chapters within 1 month. We will finish the syllabus. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, instead of taking screenshot, I restarted.
You?
Sir, instead of taking screenshot, I tapped on screen restart that the mobile offed. That's it.
Okay,
That's why I
sorry.
was gone.
Yeah. You deserve a Nobel Prize, man. Okay, later. Definitely you'll get one. Okay. Come on. Completed this one. Manufacturing industries and the lifelines of the national economy are the 2 chapters. Okay. Next one, political science. This is term 2 syllabus. Okay. Mark it properly as term 2. Write it properly. Okay. or else it will create confusion later. So write properly. It has term 2 syllabus. Term 2 syllabus. Okay. From political science, political parties, one chapter. Next one, outcomes of democracy, another chapter. Now we are discussing the political parties. Then one more chapter, outcomes of democracy for the second time. Clear? All other chapters are deleted. All other chapters are deleted. Okay, previous page, political parties, that's the chapter now running. Okay, next chapter, outcomes of democracy. Last chapter, challenges of democracy, deleted from the syllabus. Done.
Deleted chapters, can you say once more?
Maybe you don't want to think about deleted chapters. Okay, you just mark the chapters that is included in the syllabus.
Okay.
So there are only 4 chapters
For what?
for full syllabus. Politics.
From political science.
Yes.
From political science, you're asking, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Totally 4 chapters. Okay. Next one, economics. 2 chapters are there. Again, money and credit, and the all chapters, and sorry, the entire chapter. And 4th chapter, globalization in the Indian economy. The 5th chapter, consumer rights is deleted from the syllabus. Okay. So money and credit is there. Globalization and the Indian economy are the 2 chapters for term 2. Essay 2. Okay, term 2. Clear? Okay. Next one, map pointing question for term 2. Map pointing for term 2. This time, already one chapter is there from history, nationalism in India. I already told you that from nationalism in India, map pointing is there. All right. We already completed that chapter. Okay. So mark chapter 2, nationalism in India. It is 1918 to 1930. Okay. Locating and labeling. Okay. Locating and labeling the places. First, Indian National Congress sessions. Okay. Indian National Congress session. First one, Calcutta, the month of September 1920. Nagpur in the month of December 1920. Madras, the year 1927. 1927. So, want to know where is Calcutta, where is Nagpur, where is Madras, right? Map pointing. Next one, important centers of the Indian national movement. Different places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there here, right? Champaran, that's in Bihar. That is connected with the movement of indigo planters. You want to find out Champaran in the map of India, political map of India. Next one, Kheda in Gujarat. Okay, that is connected with the peasant satyagraha. Okay, so Kheda in Gujarat. Next one, Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Another place in Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Cotton mill workers satyagraha organized by Gandhi. So Bihar to Gujarat, I mean Kheda, Ahmedabad, Champaran, Kheda, Ahmedabad, connected with the Gandhi and Satyagraha. First 3. Next one, Amritsar, Punjab. Okay, you want to mark that? It is connected with the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Mark that one. Next one, Chauri Chaura, Uttar Pradesh. Calling of non-cooperation movement. Calling of non-cooperation movement, right? Okay, non-cooperation movement ended there, the year 1921, right? Sorry, 22. Next one, Dandi March. Okay, Dandi, Gujarat. That is related with the civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement, the Salt to March, right? So these are the places from that chapter, chapter number 2. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places. Okay, so 9 places. I think that it's basically asking for 2 to 3 marks. Okay, clear or not? 2 plus anyway. So it is important to learn. Next one, minerals and energy resources. Okay, the chapter that what we are discussing now. Okay, from this chapter, we'll ask power plants, location of the power plants, thermal power plants and nuclear power plants. In which thermal power plant, Namrup, Singaruli, Ramagundam. These are the 3 thermal power plants. Mark that. Write down fast. Okay. Nuclear power plants, Narora, Kakrapara, Tarapur, Kalpakam. Narora, Kakrapara, Tarapur, Kalpakam. Nuclear power plants. Next one from chapters number 6. Okay. Industries, manufacturing industry, the name of the chapter. Number of map pointing questions are there. Okay. So from manufacturing industries, so cotton, textile industries, Mumbai, Indore, Surat, Kanpur and Coimbatore. Okay. Mumbai, Indore, Surat, Kanpur, Coimbatore. I want to mark these places. Okay. Next one, iron and steel plants. Durgapur, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Vijayanagar, Salem. Okay, Durgapur, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Vijayanagar and Salem. Clear? Next one, software technology parks. STPIS, software technology parks in India. Okay, STPI. They are Noida, Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, completed. So please inform me. Okay, it is not completed, so please take a screenshot of the same page. One more page is there for us. Next page. Last chapter. Lifelines of the national economy. Major ports are there. Okay, that is seaports. Kandla, Mumbai, Barmagova, New Mangalore, Cochin, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, Haldia. Ports, seaports. And international airports from the same chapter. Amritsar, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad. Name of these airports are different in different states here. Amritsar is known as the Raja Sands International Airport. Delhi is known as Indira Gandhi International Airport. Mumbai it is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Chennai, Meenambakkam International Airport. Kolkata, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. And Hyderabad it is, sorry, Hyderabad it is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Clear? Okay. Okay, hope all this syllabus is clear for you now, right? Right? And now PT2 syllabus. PT2 syllabus for you people. Okay. There are only 42 students are here present. 42 students present. Balance students, no idea about them. Okay. Anyway, any possibility, please inform them. Okay. I mean. So listen. So number of cameras are off. There are a number of complaints from the parents said that you people are not attending the classes regularly. Okay, you are simply keeping on the attending the class and you are going somewhere but just keeping the camera. It's Maria and Elsa, why are you people together? What happened? What happened to the another gadget? Tell me, anyone? Hello?
Sir,
Ah, what is going on?
sir, we are cousins. So she came to my home to stay.
That's wonderful. So you can save the data, you can save electricity. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so any other cousins are there? Miss, this is a good example. Okay, you can create or you can contribute something for the development of the country, right? Okay, Maria and Elsa, no problem. Okay, let it be. Okay, so students, I hope this syllabus is clear. Okay. Now today I can see number of new faces are here. What happened? Many students are there. Their cameras are on, and I'm happy with that. Okay, let it be. Okay. Then what happened to 2 3 students that they're absent for the last 3 days? I think so. Example, Jesslyn, Jerlin, like that students. Any information about them? No. Okay. Where is Karthik? Is present today, Karthik? Sriram Bhagat?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Karthik is
Fine. Okay, fine. Okay, please. Thank you. So listen carefully. Okay, so PT2 syllabus, chapter number 1 from history. Okay, not the entire chapter. Clear? Clear? Not the entire chapter, but what is that? The Greek War of Independence. We learned that, right? Up to that. Greek War of Independence. Up to that, you should learn for the examination. Greek War of Independence. Nothing more than that. Clear? I already marked it, I think so. Okay. And the Vishnu Shahji's camera is on today. What happened, Vishnu Shahji? Free data available today? Vishnu Shahji, then camera off. See? Vishnu, yeah, unknowingly on, I think so. Okay. Fine. Come on. Is that marked, Mr. Karthik? Greek War of Independence. Mark that, everyone. After the Greek War of Independence. Okay, then learn that. And geography, only one chapter is there, right? What is that? Agriculture. Okay. Then the political science, it is federalism. Federalism, right? Okay. Then economics, sectors of the Indian economy. Sectors of the Indian economy. Clear? These are the chapters for the examination. Okay, any doubt? PT1. So prepare well for the examination. Only made one change. Just one change I made in the previous syllabus. Okay, clear? Only one change I made from the previous syllabus. Don't think that entire chapter, history chapter number 1, entire chapter is not there for the examination. It is up to what? The Greek War of Independence. Learn that also. That also. Greek War of Independence. Okay. Now come back to the class here. So the last session we discussed about how the nationalist movement is spread everywhere in Europe. Let me take the chapter 1 minute.
Sir, politics,
Politics, sir?
politics chapter.
Politics, federalism.
Sir,
Tell me.
federalism.
Come on, tell me. Hello?
Or federalism, that is what?
Federalism. Federalism only, man.
Sir, what, sir?
Political science only one chapter. Only one chapter for the PT, federalism.
Okay.
The coming PT, PT2. From political science only one chapter, that is federalism.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is what age of revolutions up to here. You have to learn for the examination. Okay. 3.1. Clear?
Sir,
We
I'm
are
not sharing.
What?
Screen is not sharing.
Share screen.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Check it now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Up to 3.1. The romantic imagination of the national feeling. That portion is not for the examination. Okay. I mean, for the PT, okay. For board examination, the entire chapter is there. Don't think like that. Okay.
Board exam is there.
What?
The board exam is there this year.
No, Fisan. You're thinking that there is no examination. You can simply sit in home and enjoy the entire life. Exam is there.
Sir, the exam is divided into two parts now. That in periodic test, periodic 1 and periodic 2.
Fisan, I
Last
discussed all
March
these things here. Huh? Okay, so come back to the textbook. So mark that portion for the PT test. Okay. Now we already started hunger hardship, and popular revolt. Okay, so related with that, I told you that almost all the revolutions that we are started from, or that were started from the empty stomach, right? Right? I told you. Okay. Here you can see number of people they faced a lot of problem in Europe. There is no job. Okay, recession. Okay, the people started facing a problem called the recession. There is no money with the people. There is no job for the people. So all these people started moving to the cities in search of job, in search of a job, and forced to live in slums, overcrowded slums. Okay, clear or not? Okay. Next one. The year 1948 was one such year. Food shortage and widespread unemployment brought the population of Paris out on the roads. Barricades were erected, and Louis Philippe was forced to flee. That's what the thing we discussed in the last session there, all right? The king, he escaped because there is no remedy with the king, right or not? Okay, there is no remedy with the king to solve the problem of the people, so he escaped. National Assembly proclaimed a republic, granted suffrage to all adult males above 21, and guaranteed the right to work. National workshop to provide employment were set up. So the parliament, what the parliament did here, okay, they made a arrangement. They made an arrangement to provide job for jobless people. Jobless people. National workshops were provided. Employment were set up. Okay, so they tried to give job, or the parliament tried to give job for number of people through these national workshops. Okay, clear, clear. And voting rate were guaranteed to males above the age of 21. Males above the age of 21. Earlier in 1854, vivaes in Silesia, the name of the place, Silesia. Okay, clear? What is that? What is that? There are a number of pronunciation troubles are there. Okay, so example, one name is there, right? I told you Giuseppe Mazzini, right? Okay. Original Italian, it is termed as the pronunciation is Giuseppe Mazzini. Giuseppe Mazzini, right or not? Giuseppe Mazzini. Like that, various such kind of pronunciation troubles are there because the French language, Italian one, German one. Okay, so some troubles are there. Anyway, I'm trying to give the correct pronunciation for those terms there. Anyway, and here it is Silesia. Okay, so this what this Giuseppe Mazzini or Giuseppe Mazzini? Okay, as per the Italian pronunciation, it is a GCP, right? GCP Mazzini. Okay, GCP Mazzini. Okay, let it be. So, weavers of Silesia had led a revolt against contractors who supplied them raw material and gave them orders for finished textiles, but drastically reduced their payment. So, Silesia, basically, these owners of the companies, they providing the material to the weavers in Silesia, materials. Okay, raw material. Later, the weavers in Silesia will sit and create the cloth and distribute that to the contractors. Okay, but what happened here in this year, 1848? The contractors reduced the wages to the weavers there, or reduce the wages of the weavers. Okay, so what will happen there? There is no money with the people, there is no job for the people, and definitely we can say that the people will revolt against the contractors, right? Right? Okay, so we will discuss that in next class. There's no time for us to continue or complete the topic now. Our time is nearly 3:40. Okay, time to wind up the session, I think. Is that correct? Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me take the attendance. Please turn on your cameras. If any cameras are off, please do. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Hope the things that what we discussed today is clear for you people, like the syllabus, and the same time we just started the syllabus, but there is no. With Lakshminanda also, one more student is there. Who's that? Lakshminanda. Today twins day or cousins day or something like that. Lakshminanda, who is that? Sitting with you. Lakshminanda, go. Okay, went already. I think so. Okay, anyway, thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.